The sun is shining here, and behind us is the Vitivoltaic installation, where we've installed a wide range of products. Isn't that right, Natalia?
Exactly. The edge clips, the ratchet P-clamps, wick grips, and something brand new, the MC4 connector holders.
Should we take a look at them?
I'd love to. Come along with me.
Often these systems are built at a considerable height. That means I can't easily reach them. I need a ladder, a lifting platform, or some kind of equipment to get up there in order to carry out the cable management. This in turn means that I want and need to install very durable solutions so that later on, during operation, they ultimately require little to no maintenance. In other words, the maintenance effort should be kept as low as possible.
At Helaman Titan, we use various materials. Especially for agri-PV systems, we strongly recommend Polyamide 11 because it offers excellent properties. It is highly UV resistant, meaning its UV stability is higher than with any other material. It is also not hygroscopic, which means it does not dry out, something that is usually seen with other plastic materials. And of course, its resistance to chemicals is another important factor that makes this material particularly interesting.
We are standing directly beneath the tracking agri-PV system. That means we have a dynamic installation, moving from east in the morning to west in the afternoon via the south. This creates cable movement, unlike a fixed rooftop system called on-roof PV systems where cables remain static. Here we need solutions to handle twisting and movement of the cables. We use products like ratchet P-clamps and clips that prevent cables from being pinched or hanging loose, ensuring free cable paths while still allowing movement throughout the day. This is one of the big challenges of tracking systems.
The plants here are, of course, sprayed with crop protection products. If the parts installed here for fastening are not chemical resistant, they will eventually disintegrate and fall off. That means sustainability is not ensured, and we simply generate a lot of waste. It is therefore important to use the right materials that are resistant to crop protection agents.
In this photovoltaic project, we've chosen solutions made from 100% renewable raw materials, specifically from the castor oil plant. This fruit primarily grows in India. It's a shrub that requires very little water and thrives on poor soil. This also means it doesn't compete with other crops or food plants for farmland, a very good combination. Because the oil extracted from this plant can be transformed into plastic within the polymerization process, we can produce our innovative clips. This means that customers using these parts install sustainable products with a lower carbon footprint.
Nachhaltige Produkte mit einem geringeren Kohlendioxidfußabdruck versehen dann auch verbauen können.
This is also very attractive for green investors who clearly demand that sustainable products be used in such installations. Our solutions made from Polyamide 11 are one of these pathways.